So, welcome guys to this course in throat singing, where we will go through the echo throat singing, the kagria throat singing, and also how we warm up so we can practice these techniques. And my name is Michael, and I'm part of Sound Awakening Tribe, and together with us we have Martin Duboís, that has been my throat singing teacher for 2 years now. So it's going to be beautiful to have you here and also share your knowledge and insights.
Thank you to invite me. Really, it's a pleasure to share, a pleasure to give this technique to anyone who wants to be a little bit more aware about this voice technique, how the benefit can come.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful.
The Mongolian throat singing technique has come to me in 2008 with these two great masters, Tselendava, Tsorgervel, and my friend, French guy, Johanny Curté, who is married with a Mongolian woman. And it has been the starting of my awakening, voice activation, all this benefits you get with this kind of way to sing.
Yeah, it's a very, very special way. And
very special.
You have been teaching me this, and I've learned from Martin as such an excellent musician. And I feel like it has definitely changed my life and how I view things with this kind of technique.
I agree. It has done the same thing. After the first workshop I have done, start to doing this. That we're gonna learn together. And coming after, what an experience! And then, yes. Since this time, it's become, because for the Mongolian people, this is not singing, right? It's about homi. We're gonna do homi, and homi it's about the larynx. So all we're gonna happen there with a special breath and some exercise that we're gonna see together. But all will happen there, and we'll start to clean this zone and open some vibration sensation with the voice in all the body. This story I have been taught by this guy who came, because I'm originally from France, and they came in France and Europe, and I was with them in the workshop. So I have heard all this history about this legendary waterfall in Mongolia, where all has started for throat singing long time ago. I have no way to say when. And this guy was trying to imitate the sound of the water, and to try to imitate the sound of the wind, and to try to imitate the timbre of the sound of the animals, certain animals. So all start in this waterfall, how to imitate the waterfall. Something like this, huh? And all start with this link with the water and the wind, mostly.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And in a context of shepherd environment. You know? These guys are shepherds. They take care of the sheep and of the animal, because they need it to eat in Mongolia. It's too cold. They need this. So this is the context where it burns.
Beautiful.